Up to you.
I don't know what to say.
Well, you got to say something.
All right. Hello, everybody.
Tell me when you're going to start.
I'm going to start now.
Okay.
Hello, everybody.
What?
Are you going to say?
Oh, g'day. Yeah, back in England, and we're cruising. It's our second day back on the cut, and having a ball. There's no other boats around, and yeah, it's lovely.
Yeah, it's very
It's really, really nice. So just a quick update. Say g'day and to tell you what we're doing and done and about to do and all that sort of stuff. So this is our last 2 more days on the cut.
2 more days on the cut.
Yeah, we're heading up to Erewash Canal this afternoon, hopefully, and gonna have a bit of a gecko up there and check it out, and then back down the River Soar here tomorrow, and then into Loughborough on Saturday. And then yeah, that's the end of our narrowboat cruising.
For this time.
For this, yeah, for now. But we'll be back, who knows when, but later on to finish the top half and have a good look at the pubs and stuff up there. Yeah, had a ball, and yeah, we're gonna miss
We're certainly
canals.
going to miss it.
Yeah,
We've absolutely loved it.
so
yeah.
serene and quiet, and yeah, it's lovely just cruising along and saying good day to all the people, and yeah, we will miss it. But then early next week we are heading off to Central America and start the next chapter. So
Yeah.
we've put together a little snippet of the new nutshell and what she looks like. It's just from some pretty random videos that were taken by the surveyor.
Yes.
So you'll have to excuse all the shaking and stuff, but the camera work wasn't really. I mean, it's all right.
It's what we've got, isn't it?
Yeah, it's all we've got.
What we've got.
So after watching the following bit, you'll know as much as we know about the new boat.
Yes.
But we'll be there on next Thursday, I think it is. So a week today.
Yeah, we fly out from London on Tuesday.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And so we'll know next week if the boat's still there and if it's still afloat and if it's got an engine and all that sort of stuff. But yeah, enjoy the bit of video. And we will catch you next time.
Yes.
All right. See ya.
Bye.
Bye. G'day. This is the new nutshell. These are the only photos we have of it, and the only bit of video we have of it, or her I should say. So it's a bit shaky and the photos are a bit grainy, but at least you'll know as much as we do about the new nutshell. So sit back and enjoy. Cheers.
This is the sailing boat. This is the pole of the rudder, but the rudder is not there. It's not installed. The small pole, the small mast, the 2 buckles. They are some rusty, but this maybe they need to be a little bit tired. But it's okay. This is an old boat. This wood here, it need to be reconditioned. All this is burnt by the sun. It's all completely dead. So these are the instruments. As we can see, the depth, the echo sounder is not working or is out of system. Also maybe the sharp plotter, but it's not there anymore. This is the navigation table. So as we can see here, this is a very old core settle. This is like maybe a kind of very old autopilot. So we can see here there's maybe needs some housekeeping. This is an auto radio, very old also, with See this and all this. This is the navigation table. This is with this compartment, storage compartment with all of this kind of spare parts. So we can see here the main saloon. We have here a U-shaped sofa, and this is the engine, the small engine, just 2 HP from the dinghy. But the dinghy is outside. We can see later. So again, I will try to make you a better view. That is, we can see some kind of water there, but it's not too much. We have here some water that is normal for a boat. We have here the pump, some filters. We have here the gearbox that is coming from the engine, and the engine is here below the sink. So we can see here, the engine from here that is very rusted. And the engine is very old. We cannot see exactly the model, but I found a brochure that is a Isuzu C240. Yes, according to Mr. Marcelo, he makes some tests trying to move in the engine, but they found it tight, so the engine was not loose. But we can see some water here, so very rusted, so they need to...
Sí, normalmente como viene de aquí, del zinc.
Well, we can see here that the water is coming from the sink, but still affecting this connection there. So this is the hours. But it looks like it's not accurate. The belts of the engine, according to Mr. Marcelo, need to be changed due that the engine was stopped for a very long time. So I tried to open the floor panels, but they're very tired. It's impossible. So I just can't open one because this is very tight. It's not possible to open. We have here a dinner table. This is a very old portable fire extinguisher. We go forward. This is a head. We can see here head. They are very old. Maybe need some proper maintenance. But this water, we can check it. This is another skylight. We can see all these the wood that need to be stored. And also we can see here some chain plates that is inside. And this is the master cabin, or the V-shaped cabin. So as we can see here, this is all a mess. So I will try to get to the chain locker. Okay, so this is the chain locker. So we can see here that the chain, in my opinion, needs to be replaced. This is very corroded. In general, this is in good condition. Some water here, so this means that the water is leaking from the deck, because I told you that it's raining. You can see just spare parts, more spare parts. Now this look like, for the smell, this look like maybe gray waters, because it smell like a sea wash. Here we have a kind of tank. It looks like maybe the gray tank, the gray water tank for the smells. And we will continue here. Now we go to the aft. So this is the panel. Now Mr. Marcelo give work with some power. Everything is working now. So we can see here, this is a conduit to see the steering and but all this maybe need to be better organized. You know, it's too much cables there, but not the specification, they are not signed. Also we have here another from 2005-6. Maybe it's already expired. So we try also to put ignition in the main engine, but it was not possible. Maybe the start is the ignition is stuck. We have another chain plate here. This is the solar panel regulator. As we can see here, another. Oh, too much water here. Huh? This was not the last time. Maybe the water is coming from. Let's check this water. Where is coming this water? I presume it's from this hatch, from this port light. But I cannot see. You see the water there? There's some kind of water here. So we can see here the battery banks. There are new batteries. They look like new batteries. The cables also, they are new, good condition. But need a little bit of housekeeping, no? It's usual in this kind of vessel that they are abandoned, but maybe one year before. And here we're gonna check. All this is a mess. You see water from everywhere. So I presume that the water is coming from here. Oh, this was open. You see? So I will close it. I don't know if they have the rubber, but it's better to close it. So we can see here the steering and the engine clutch, the throttles. This is the throttles from the engine and the clutch from the gearbox. This is the Plastimo compass. So this is important here. I can check that recently it looked like that they make some repairs to chain plates. This is the dinghy that we don't know if it's already deflated or this is in the condition. They have a lot of parts here. You see, maybe need to replace it. I don't know. We have to check. And we can see here the main mast that is very solid, not evident damage was noted. Also here you see some repairs was done, and it is recently. It looks like this is another sail. Yes, it's another sail here inside, but we don't know what kind of sail is main sail or. For me, in my opinion, this is the best thing that I can find in this vessel. There is the windlass. It's a Tigres. So we can. I noted that there is a big damage. No, this is not a big damage. Have to be repaired, but it's a damage here in all the boat spirit here. It looked like maybe some collision. Anchored there, so we cannot see from here. Also, we cannot do it from here. It's dangerous. The boat spirit broken. Have some damage there. Look like a collision. I don't know. I have to check from the outside. I already took a picture. And this is our beautiful lady. So as I told you, this is a very strong vessel. It's old one, but this is a very romantic vessel.
I don't know where I'm going. Yeah, but that's the best part, not knowing. I don't care what you say to me.